With the TUF Gaming B550M-Plus Wi-Fi, you don't need to choose between high performance or a low price. You get gamer-friendly features at a price point that won't break the bank. The micro ATX form factor gives you much of the utility you get from a full-size ATX board without the large case. This board's 8+2 DRMOS VRM has the efficiency to ensure your 3rd Gen Ryzen CPU continues to perform even under sustained loads. The board features military-grade TUF chokes and durable TUF capacitors selected with longevity in mind, with up to 5 times the industry standard lifetime. There are 2 PCIe x 16 slots with support for Crossfire X configurations. The main slot delivers PCI Express 4.0 speeds, and it has safe slot metal reinforcement to help prevent card sag or damage during transport. A pristine Realtek S1200A codec with DTS custom processing draws you deeper into the game. And ASUS AI noise-canceling mic technology ensures your teammates can hear you over distracting background noise like typing and clicking. For storage options, you get 2 M.2 drive slots, one of which features PCIe 4.0 connectivity. We include a flexible heatsink to prevent any heat-related throttling from slowing down your SSDs. The I/O panel provides a wide selection of connectivity options to choose from, including USB 3.2, Gen 2 Type-C and A ports, 2.5 gigabit Ethernet, HDMI 2.1, and DisplayPort. With the built-in Wi-Fi 6 module, you get a strong and stable Wi-Fi connection with compatible routers. With one onboard Aura RGB lighting zone, an addressable Gen 2 RGB header, and 2 standard RGB headers, you get everything you need to customize your PC's look. Speaking of looks, you can take advantage of components from the TUF Gaming Alliance for a coordinated style and easy build. Build tough with the TUF Gaming B550M-Plus Wi-Fi.